this video is dedicated to several locations, monuments and sculptures worth visiting. First location, this is figures from well-known Soviet Comdey. I don't. The exact translation of this film. Try to catch two hares at once. Okay, I don't know whether there is an English translation of this well-known comedy. Another location, this is Sculpture to Plumber, yeah, and this sculpture is located near the office of Cherkassy water canal, a main organization which supply water to the city. So near this building, we can see pipes with big diameter to supply water, still working fountain. You know, it's November. I think this is the only working fountain in the city. Yeah? And funny bus, I could call this bus, where children can drive. And the last location, this is a monument to Bogdan Khmelnitsky, well-known Ukrainian hetman. The monument itself is very impressive. The only minus, you know, there are a lot of small inscriptions with victories of Bogdan Khmelnitsky, but access to this inscription is not possible because of these plants, you know. I don't know was it special or not, but this is the only minus.